In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a map to your site in WordPress. Adding a map to your website can be incredibly useful, whether you're showcasing your business location, helping users find an event, or simply enhancing your site's functionality. Thankfully, WordPress makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional map embedded on your website. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you typically use. Once it's open, navigate to the main WordPress website by typing in www.wordpress.com and hitting enter. When you arrive at the WordPress homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button labeled Login. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you'll find several options for accessing your account. To simplify the login process, I recommend selecting the Continue with Google option. By choosing this, you can use your existing Google credentials, which saves time and eliminates the need to remember additional usernames or passwords. If you're already signed into Google, you'll see a list of your accounts pop up. Simply click on the Google account you want to use, and WordPress will log you in automatically. Once you're logged in, scroll down the WordPress dashboard until you find the Quick Links section. This section is designed to give you fast access to commonly used tools. Look for an option labeled Edit Site and click on it. This will bring you to the editing interface for your website. Now, if you manage multiple websites under your account, you'll first need to select the specific site you want to modify. A list of your sites will appear, so go ahead and click on the one you're working on. This step ensures that you're editing the correct site. Once your site loads in the editing interface, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon. This is the Add Block button. Click on the plus icon and a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. This is where you can search for and add various elements to your page. In the search bar within this panel, type the word map. WordPress will then show you results related to map elements. From the results, locate and click on the map element. This action will insert a placeholder map onto your page. Next, you'll need to connect this map to a service or location. To do this, look for a designated space where you can provide a map URL. This is where you'll paste the URL of the map you want to embed, such as a Google Maps link. After pasting the URL, click on the Embed button. This step ensures the map is properly linked to its service, making it functional and interactive for your visitors. Before moving on, take a moment to confirm that the map renders correctly on your page. It should display the location or service you link to and be fully interactive. If something doesn't look right, double-check the URL you provided to make sure it's correct. Once you're satisfied that everything looks good, it's time to save your work. Head to the top right corner of the screen and click the Save button. Saving your changes is essential because it ensures that the modifications you've made are now live and visible to your website visitors. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully added a map to your WordPress site. Whether you're guiding visitors to your business location or enhancing your site's usability, this feature is a great way to provide value to your audience. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.